This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, I'm sorry, I missed. Okay, the first one is depreciation profiles we have configured, and then books we have fixed asset groups we have created. For the groups, we have mapped a number sequence. Next one is books we have created. While creating books, one is laptop current layer, So we have mapped current layer, and here depreciation profile we have mapped. Next one is tax layer. For laptop tax layer, I have mapped tax layer and depreciation profile. And one of our colleague is asked about salvage value. So that is leave net book value. Here, this is earlier it is salvage value, but now Microsoft has renamed as leave net book value at. That one is salvage value. Okay, one is for accounting currency, one is for reporting currency. You can enter this one, leave salvage value. Okay, we need to map it. This is salvage value or scrap value. After this, you are going to make it scrap it. You are not going to do calculations of depreciation. It will be 0 only. Okay, so one is current layer. Look at this one. This is posting layer. Another one is tax layer. You need to map.
Sir, what is the difference between current layer and tax layer, sir? Why we are mapping two?
Because as per Income Tax Act and as per Companies Act, so we have discussed like 2 days before, if company
Okay.
you need to show after 2 years what is the value of the car means, or whatever it is the amount. It is showing for one book you need to showcase 36,000, for another book you need to showcase 15,000. Am I right?
Okay, yes, sir.
So you need to provide a report. So if you want to provide a report, we need one technology should show in two different functions. So one is in the layer, I will do it. Another one is tax layer. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine. So, and one more thing in the current layer, so what is the major difference in this? I have discussed. One is acquisition value, depreciation value, disposal of sale, and disposal of scrap. So acquisition value 60,000. Either one, it is 60,000 only. And depreciation calculations are different. Am I right? This is different depreciation calculation. This is different calculation.
Yes.
Sales means same value. Agree?
Yes.
Sales and scrap also same
value.
So for that, what I'm doing for current layer, I'm adding here. Whenever you are doing acquisition current layer, map the tax layer also. I mean to say tax layer postings also can be posted along with current layer. So this is a little bit tricky information. Try to understand. Whenever you are posting in the current layer, post the transactions in the tax layer also for acquisition, depreciation, disposal of sale, and disposal of scrap. For depreciation, I will post separately. That's what I have mapped here. Means whenever I'm posting any fixed asset acquisition, at that time it will post to current layer as well as tax layer also. I will not do separate acquisition or separate purchase process for separate purchase process for current and tax layer. I will post in the current layer, post in the tax layer also. That's what I have mapped here. This is the setup. Okay, I will come back here and I will show you what is the benefit it is coming from this one. Next one is fixed asset groups. You need to map in the group laptops. You need to go to books. You need to map two layers. One is current layer, 5 years life. Next one is tax layer. It is reducing balance 50%. So these are the setups we have done day before yesterday. Day before yesterday, we have done this process, these steps, up to these 4 steps. Let me close this one. Up to these 4 steps we have done. Now we need to map posting profiles, fixed asset posting profiles. Fixed asset posting profiles I'm creating. Give me a second, whether it is job is completed or not. Let me verify. Yeah, it is completed. Fine. Because once it is completed, the system is very slow. I want to stop this one. Bad job. No problem, it is executing. Fine. Now fixed asset posting profile we need to define. Next one is fixed asset posting profile. Okay. Acquisition, laptop current layer, acquisition, you need to map 180 100 acquisition tangible fixed assets, and this is cash account 110180. In the same manner, laptop tax layer 180 100 110 180. This is acquisition asset value. So what is the asset equation means? Asset equation means asset purchases. Then actually it is asset acquisition, means purchases. Then it is fixed asset account data to cash or bank account credit. Am I right? I will pay money and I will purchase a fixed asset. That's what we have mapped here. This is asset account debit and credit to the cash or bank. This is petty cash, and this is asset, tangible fixed asset. That's what we have mapped, asset account data to cash account credit. So we have mapped posting profiles. There are so many things we need to map, not only equation, we need to map depreciation, we need to map disposal of sale, all these things we'll map it. We have mapped. First one, equation we have mapped. So that is done. Next one is parameters, fixed asset parameters. So once it is defined, you need to go to fixed asset parameters. So here posting profiles we need to map. We need to map posting profile. Okay, done. So parameters we have configured. Next you need to create fixed asset master. Once it is done, you need to create fixed asset master. Give me a second. It is, I want to make this disable, otherwise every time it will start. I will make it manual. This is best. Okay, fine. So let me close this one. It is not required for you. The previous batch continuation. So param posting profiles it was mapped. Next one is fixed asset master you need to create. You need to create fixed asset master. Click on new. So I'm creating fixed asset group, selecting fixed asset group. Then automatically it will show you ALTD company name LP001 series is the coming automatically. Dell laptop, suppose 1 I have created. So once it is created laptop, if you go to books, if you click on books, it will show you 2 books, because in the group we have mapped 2 books. That's what it is showing here. One is current layer, another one is tax layer. Understood? For current layer, depreciation we have mapped straight line method, straight line service life, and 5 years is the life, and 60 periods it is there. For tax layer, it is layer tax, reducing balance, it is 50% reducing balance. Okay, and remember the posting profiles also captured automatically. Posting profiles also captured. Look at this one, the status is not yet acquired. Not yet acquired means not purchased. It was not purchased. Now we will purchase this fixed asset. So now if you verify the transactions for tax layer and current layer, it is 0, nothing here. This is tax layer and another one is current layer. If you go to current layer transactions, it is showing 0, nothing. Even if you verify the balances, it will not show anything, blank, because we have not purchased this fixed asset. We have not purchased this fixed asset, it is showing 0. Profile also showing 0. Nothing showing here, everything is blank. Okay, now let me acquire fixed asset. Acquire means let me purchase this fixed asset. So if you want to purchase fixed asset, so you can go to fixed assets module, fixed assets journal, fixed assets journal entries, sorry, not here, this one, fixed asset journal entries. Okay, you can click on new and fixed asset journal name, it is blank. So you need to create one journal name for fixed asset. So one is fixed asset master, and fixed asset acquisition, acquire fixed asset means it is fixed asset journal. Where it is available, it is fixed asset module, journal entries, fixed asset journal. Okay, and this one, it is fixed asset module, fixed asset module, fixed asset, all are 3 fixed asset. This one is fixed assets, 3 times fixed assets. Okay, so fixed asset module, fixed asset menu, item, all are fixed assets only. This one is fixed asset journal, is fixed asset module, journal entries, fixed asset journal. Now one journal name should be created. So where I have to go journal name if I want to create journal name?
General ledger, journal names.
General setup,
Journal
ledger, journal setup.
Journal ledger, journal setup, journal
names.
Okay, this is your primary role, your primary job you need to create. So I'm creating fixed asset journal, fixed asset acquisition journal. Okay, the type is post fixed assets. The type is post fixed assets. The type is post fixed assets. So don't misunderstood. If it is some other names are there, don't use that one. It is only post fixed assets. Okay. Next, you know this journal name. Number sequence you need to create. Click new. Fixed asset equation journal. Fixed asset equation journal. You know already you are habituated to this one. I think everyone is practicing.
Yes, sir.
So I will use always 6 digits so that it is best practice. This is my way of practice. Your wish or client wish, how you want. So we have mapped fixed asset equation journal. So journal name is created. So next step, fixed asset journal name. And the type is post fixed assets. Post fixed assets. Fine, it was created. Now I can select from the journal name. Go to lines. Now look at this one. The number is coming automatically, whatever you have created. ALTD FAJ FAAJ 001. Now select the fixed asset. In our example, we are entering 60,000 debit, and automatically offset account is coming 110180 because in the posting profile you have mapped. And if you go to books, it will show you tax also. Why it is showing this one tax? In the books we have configured fixed assets. Books we have configured while posting current layer. In the equation, if you are posting, post in the tax layer as well. That is the configuration, derived books. Okay, you need to understand. In the current layer, whenever I'm posting, post in the equation tax layer as well. That's what here it is coming automatically, this one. If you have mapped properly, sometimes you may be mapped reversal. If it is posting to tax layer, post in the current layer. That is not possible. Always current layer to tax layer. Okay, so you are telling like current layer, post layer, like tax layer, all those things. Till now we have posted purchase order invoice, sales order invoice. Am I right? Purchase order invoice, sales order invoice, we have posted so many. So which layer it was posted? Let me show you. Accounts payable, purchase orders, all purchase orders. Let us see what are the transactions posted till now in which layer. You have not observed till now. Any transaction, whether it is a vendor payment, customer payment, vendor invoice, customer invoice, anything you have posted, all are in current layer only. So if you go to invoices and journals, invoice voucher, if you verify invoice, if you verify the voucher, all are posted in current layer. Now we are posting in the current layer. Normally whatever it is there, we are posting current layer. Without intimating means current layer, and we are posting tax layer as well. We are posting in the tax layer as well. Let me post. Now if you verify the voucher, look at this one, it is 4 transactions. 2 transactions for current layer, 2 transactions for the tax layer. Actually, whenever it was posted in the, give me a second, operation completed. So it is posted number of vouchers only 1. But if you go to the voucher, it is 2 transactions posted. One is current layer, one is tax layer. So now if you go to the fixed asset, and if you go to the books, the status of the fixed asset is showing open. It is showing transaction 60,000. It is current layer. Another one tax layer. Understood? The transaction posted in the current layer. Every time I need to select and I need to click on transaction. Now, if you click on profile, it will show you the depreciation calculations properly. 60,000. So for first 60,000 means 60,000 divided by 5. Each year 12,000. So each month 1,000. So we have purchased in the middle 15th of February. So it was posted 50,000, 5,000, 500 only. Out of 1,000 for 1 month, 500 for half month. If you go to tax layer profile, it is showing depreciation calculation 30%, means 2,500, means actually 30%, 50% means 30,000 per year and 2,500 per month. Understood? So it is very difficult for me if I want to verify the fixed assets. If I want to verify, I need to click on books and then only I can see the value. Whether it is possible to see all together means you can click on valuations. You can see both together, current layer and tax layer in the system, both together. This is the screen which is developed in D365, not in 2012. Not in 2012. Not in 2012. In 2012, this screen is not available. This screen is not available in 2012. It is available in D365 only. It is available in D365 only. So this valuations. So valuations. This is not available in previous version. So if you want to understand, you can click on books and you need to verify. Understood? Any doubt in this? Anyone has any doubts? Any questions? So this is equation. Now depreciation. So depreciation we are able to see in the books. In the books we are able to see what is the depreciation calculations. We know, just we are looking at profile. If you look at the profile, it is showing what is the upcoming depreciation calculations. It is proposed only. Proposed only. Now I need to do calculations for depreciation. So for that, small mistake. Fine. Mistake means I need to start services once again. If I keep services, that will be good actually. One batch job I need to execute once again now. Anyhow, for this batch job, I need to run this one. Start. Okay, let it be processed. This batch job is required for now. Okay, let me go back now. So if you look at this one profile, it is showing what is the upcoming depreciations. Okay, next month 500, next month, like this month 500 because half month, remaining it is 1000, 1000. So now depreciation should be calculated. So if you want to do depreciation calculation, then once again we need to create one journal name. We need to create one journal name. So if I'm clicking on new, here it is showing fixed asset acquisition journal, but I want depreciation. So for that, let me create depreciation journals. So one more time, journal name we need to create. You know this journal name, journal names, this you know already. So I'm creating new journal, fixed asset depreciation current layer, fixed asset depreciation current layer. Okay, the type is also same, post fixed assets. What is done? So post fixed assets. So don't select this one, fixed asset budget or fixed asset transaction. This is for some other company specific batches. This is for budgeting. This is for some other country. It is not for you. Post fixed assets only. The same journal type you need to use it. Now I'm creating one more journal name. One more journal name I'm creating. So click on new. So 1 minute. So fixed asset depreciation current layer. Company ALTD. Sorry, this is mistake. ALTD. Fixed asset depreciation current layer. So I want to use 6 digits. Enabling this checkbox. Save. Fixed asset depreciation current layer. So this is current layer only. Next one I need to create fixed asset depreciation tax layer. Post fixed assets. And here once again I'm creating new journal name. I'm creating new one, fixed asset depreciation tax layer. Company. Fixed asset, sorry, ALTD. then fixed asset depreciation tax layer. Okay, so it is total 19 digit. 19 digit means it is too much, so that is the reason I'm using 16 digits only. That is my favorite, like 3 plus whatever it is there, 6 digits is enough for me. Number sequence. Client wish how many numbers they want. What happened? Give me a minute.
Sir,
Uh.
actually that company name, code name, na that DAT is selected. LTD, it has to be there, na.
It
That
is
by
selected.
mistakenly that.
Okay, fine. Thanks for identification. So
Yes.
now if I want to correct it, so I can go to organization administration, number sequences, all number sequences. We can leave it and we can proceed if you want. Otherwise, if you want to correct it, you can correct it like by clicking here. FATT. It will show so many. So for this one, yeah. So for this one, it is DAT is selected. I'm clicking on this one. This is for some other companies I have created. So you can modify. So you can click on edit. Otherwise, you can leave it. If you are not able to find, you can leave it. ALTD. Okay. Then you can come back here and you can map now. FA DT tax layer. Okay. This is, I know the corrections, how to do it. If you are not sure, you can leave it and you can create. So now you need to map tax layer. Okay, fine. Now you need to create fixed asset depreciation current layer. Now go to lines. So I will not enter manually depreciation calculations. I will not enter manually. I will do the proposal, depreciation proposal. If I'm executing, I'm getting error message. I'm getting error message if I'm executing. What is the error message? In the fixed asset module, setup, add reporting currency amounts to be to fixed asset books. You need to run this process. That is in fixed asset module, setup, add reporting currency amounts to fixed asset books. You need to execute this one. So you need to select the exchange rate type, default. Next, there is no ledger accounts balances, but you need to run this one. Even though it is empty, you need to run. What is this process? I will explain you. Okay, I'm executing. This is only one time you can execute. Add reporting currency amounts to fixed asset books. Click on next. Click on yes. Click OK. Finish. Then batch job is executing. One batch job is executing. The add reporting currency amounts to fixed asset books job is added to the batch queue. So that is the reason once again I have enabled this batch job. Now it is running. So it will be finished in 1 minute, less than 1 minute. What is this? I will discuss with you later. Okay, I have executed. Simply, I have executed one job. I have executed. Now, if I go back, close, that will be finished in 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Now click on proposals, depreciation proposal. Now it will be opened. It will be opened. So that batch job should be finished. This batch job. Only one time. Whenever you are creating a new company, only one time you need to do it. Okay. What is that? I will explain you later. Okay. Don't worry on that one. So now I'm proceeding up to 30th April. I'm executing for current layer. If you want, you can filter, you can apply for fixed asset to group and fixed asset master. You can apply filter. If you want to execute for specific fixed asset, you can select fixed asset number or fixed asset group. But in real time scenario, for all fixed assets, we will execute. For all fixed assets, we will execute. Click on OK. Anyhow, we have only one fixed asset. We have only one fixed asset. So that is the reason it will show you. So one is for Feb month, it is 500 because 15 days, remaining 15 days. For March month, it is 1000. For April month, it is 1000. Now I'm posting. Offset account is not mapped. Then if I'm trying to post, it will throw error message. Because offset account is not mapped. It is throwing error message. Okay, so it is not mapped. Account transaction type depreciation book does not exist. So what is the mistake means? In the fixed asset posting profile, I have mapped only acquisitions. I have mapped only acquisition. I need to map depreciations. It is must. Okay. For depreciation, current layer 180,200, 180,200. Where it is accumulated depreciation, this one 180,200, and this is expenses, depreciation expenses. It is most probably in 6 series, depreciation expenses, tangible. This one I need to. Okay, this I will explain you. Give me a minute. I will explain you. They need to map this one. For tax layer also, I need to map 180,200, 607, 200. Okay, once it is mapped, then only you need to execute this one. So let me delete these things, and let me rerun this process. Let me go to inside and let me remove these transactions. Now I am executing once again. Proposals, depreciation proposal, current layer up to April 30th. I'm executing. Click OK. Now in the books, it is not posting tax layer. I have not mapped for the depreciation. So it is 500, 1000, 1000. Now I am posting. Offset account will be filled now because you have mapped already offset accounts. Now I am posting. So it was posted. Next, depreciation for tax layer I need to map. I need to post. So let me click on new button, select the tax layer. If you select tax layer, you can go to inside, you will find tax layer also. Give me a minute. And somewhere else it will show you. here it is. Because we have already configured the journal name for tax layer, we have mapped posting layer, tax layer. That's what we are doing. Okay, lines. Now run once again proposal, depreciation proposal for this fixed asset for up to April 30th. I'm executing for tax layer. This is tax layer. Click OK. Now it is proposing tax layer. It is every month it is 2,500. For this month it is 1,250 because 50% only, half of the month. Okay, offset account also populated automatically. Now I am posting. Now if you go to the fixed asset, if you click on current layer transactions, it is 60,000 and 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, like 500, 1,000, 1,000 was posted. And for tax layer, it is posting 1,250 plus 2,500, 2,500, 2,500. Okay, if you want to see all this one in at a time for fixed asset, then you can click on valuations. You can see acquisition value, depreciation value, and then net book value. Acquisition value 60,000, depreciation value 2,500, means 500 plus 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,500, 57,500. For tax layer, it is 1,250, 2,500, 2,500, total 6,250. Balance amount is this one. Understood? Any confusion?
Sir, why in reporting currency value is getting changed, sir?
So in the reporting currency, we have mapped like, if you go here, what is the reporting currency? Where we can see?
Ledger setup.
Ledger
Ledger.
setup.
Ledger
What is the currency? What is the currency?
euros.
Okay.
That's what it is conversion.
Okay, sir.
This is in US dollars, this is in euros.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Sure. Thanks.
Yeah, fine. Now I want to sell this fixed asset. I don't want to keep with me. I want to sell. At any point of time, I can sell them, right? So if you want to sell this fixed asset, if you want to sell the fixed asset, then we can sell the fixed asset by creating using free text invoice, accounts receivable, invoices, free text invoice. Using free text invoice, I can do sales. Click on new. Select the customer, to which customer you want to sell. It is only one customer or two customers are there, no problem selecting. So I'm selecting the customer. Now revenue account, I'm selecting revenue account 4 series. So suppose other revenues I'm getting. Now the fixed asset value is, if you go to valuations, okay, so it is 57,500, it is 53,700, 750. So I'm selling at the rate of 55,000. I can sell at any time, at any whatever, based on the situations I can sell. Suppose I'm selling at the rate of 55,000. This I'm selling in the month of May month. May 3rd I'm selling. May 3rd I'm selling. So you can select fixed asset here. You can select fixed asset and you can sell this item. I'm trying to sell this one. I'm trying to post. Then this is not the best. Oh, sorry. So it will be throwing error messages. Definitely. Let me show you error messages. That is not the best practice, but I'm showing you error messages. Clicking OK. I don't know whether it will be partially posted or it will not be posted. I think it will not be posted as per my knowledge. You will get error messages. You need to get error messages. Okay, so operation completed. This is error message is coming. It is invoice account disposal parameters post net book value does not exist. It is showing net book value. The reason behind, in the posting profiles, I need to map disposal of sale, and here net book values also I need to map. I need to map net book value. So let me add current layer net book value. Net book value I need to map. It is 8 series. In 8 series, net gain or loss will be there. Give me a second. Yeah, gain or loss on disposal of sale. Gain or loss on disposal of sale should be mapped here. Gain or loss should be mapped. Not only net book value, you need to map several things. You need to map several things. What it means, let me finish for current layer and tax layer. For net book value, the same account. Not only this one, you need to map acquisition this year, depreciation this year. Acquisition this year. So for this account, and I need to map acquisition should be nullified. So 180, 100. I need to map. Depreciation and then tax layer also. Acquisition this year, I need to map. Okay, so there are many accounts. I will explain you tomorrow about this one. This disposal of sale, we need to map so many things. We'll continue on this one, but I will give you some more clarifications. Okay, let me map this one once again. Current layer, depreciation previous year, depreciation this year, 180, 200. Tax layer also, depreciation previous year, this year, and previous year also we need to map 180, 200, 80, whatever it is there, we need to map. Okay, like this. One is for current layer, we need to map 3, and one more 3 also, 2 more also we need to map previous year also. Previous year. I will explain you all these things tomorrow. Okay, let me map myself. tax layer. 180,200, 80,1100, and equation previous year also. So I'm mapping so many things. 180,100 and the tax layer also. Okay, too much information today, but it is must. I need to give you explanation tomorrow. No problem. Don't worry, you will understand everything. So simply for current layer 5, for tax layer 5. Look at this one. For current layer, net book value, equation this year, equation previous year, depreciation this year, depreciation previous year. In the same manner for tax layer also 5. Net book value, depreciation this year, depreciation previous year, and equation this year, equation previous year. You need to map all those things. And here also you need to map. Okay, this big exercise, whatever I did it, I will explain you in detail tomorrow. Okay, now first let us understand depreciation. Depreciation means the posting depreciation. So asset value should be decreased. That is called fixed asset depreciation, like fixed accumulated depreciation. It is accumulated depreciation. It will be credit. And fixed asset depreciation will be debited. This is 6 series expenses. This is 1 series asset. 1 series means here you are decreasing the value of the fixed asset. This is 180, this is 110, 180, 110, 180, 100. This is 180, 200. So the sum of this value is debit, and every month you are decreasing the value. Got it? This is expenses. This is cash also. You know the cash, it is bank or cash. Okay, any doubt in this depreciation posting? Expenses account data to expenses account data to fixed asset accumulated depreciation account credit. This is here 180, 100 asset, here it is 180, 200 asset only. Asset value decreasing by posting debit, credit, minus. Okay, this is postings, depreciation postings. Okay, disposal of sale I have not explained, I will explain it tomorrow. Disposal of sale, but as of now I have explained only depreciation. Now what is this function like executing this one? So I told you like you need to execute this job. Add reporting currency amounts to fixed asset books. What does this means? What does this means? Actually, if you remember, we have discussed about dual currency. Remember? Have we discussed on dual currency functionality? Or not? Yes or no? Not discussed yet?
Not discussed.
Oh, important topic. Give me a minute. So tomorrow, come again?
Multi-currency concept, right? We're talking about.
No, it is not multi-currency. Dual currency functionality I need to explain you. In that case, if it's missed, I will explain you tomorrow. I will explain it tomorrow. Small topic. I will discuss with you tomorrow. So, and then I will show you the benefit of that one. So this is a dual currency concept. Okay, tomorrow I will explain you about dual currency. I need to explain you. One is dual currency. Next one is add reporting currency to fixed assets. What is that meaning? Because these two are interlinked, I will discuss with you. Next one is disposal of sale postings. These three you are going to learn tomorrow. Okay, I will discuss with you all these things tomorrow on these things because I need to discuss with you what is this dual currency functionality. Okay, this is a old logic and this is a new logic. It is one of the small important topic. I will discuss small topic 5-10 minutes, but I will discuss with you and then I will explain all these things remaining. Okay, I'm stopping here for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time, 8 a.m. IST. See you all. Bye bye. Anyone facing challenges, let me know. Okay, fine. See you all. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.